Okay, this next section is about the same thing. The problems are just shorter and different order. So you're still going to take your divisor. You're going to set it equal to 0. Make sure this is recording. Yep, it is. That would have been bad. Add 4, and x is 4. Okay, this is an example of how it's a little shorter. There's your 1 here, an 8, and a negative 48. So write that down. Draw your lines. Half box. Okay, don't forget, this 4 goes in your half box. Bring the first number down. Multiply 4 times 1 and get 4. Add 8 plus 4 and get 12. Start again. 4 times 12 is 48. Add, and you're going to get a 0. So we're going to do the quotient. And because we started this time, it started with an x squared. Here's a different one. So because we started with an x squared, we're going to write our answer 1 down, which starts with an x. So I'm going to put this as a 1x. This 12 will not have a variable, but they need a sign in between it. So my quotient is actually x plus 12. Then we do our remainder. The remainder you get from right here, it's 0. Once again, because that's a 0, this information right here, it is a factor. If it wasn't a 0, it would not be a factor. So let's do the next one. Grab your divisor, set it equal to 0. So I get x equals negative 5. Let's do our coefficients. Looks like we're good in order. 2, negative 6, negative 1. Draw your lines. Draw your half box. This negative 5 goes in the half box. Bring down the first one. Multiply negative 5 times 2 and get a negative 10. Then we are going to add negative 6 plus a negative 10 is a negative 16. Then we're going to multiply. Negative 5 times negative 16, positive 80. Then we're going to add, and we're going to get 79. Now this section just said determine if it's a factor. Because this is not 0, it's not a factor. So it's not a factor because remainder is not 0. Okay, I'm going to do one of your homework problems with you because it's weird. I think it's number 2 I'm going to do. It's a little hard. So I'm going to stop it and jump into this next video. Well, maybe.